Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share recruitment information from more than 6 different companies. These are mostly like single location based hiring, but good companies and good roles. And so all the apply links are given below in the description. So after watching the video, you can decide which one you want to apply, and then you can make use of the links. Okay. So first one, EY, they're hiring associate software engineer. Now the link that I'm providing here is the latest link. Okay, so this is the one that was notified this week. So for this, the location is Bangalore. One link is for Bangalore, another one for the Noida location. So for this, if you see, usually they ask for like 60%, and there should not be any active backlogs. The recent batches can apply, and this is especially for computer science, IT and circuit branches. Okay, so BE, BTech, IT, computer science and circuit branches can apply. Should have more than 60% and above, and there should not be any active backlogs. Okay, so the role is associate software engineer. As far as the salary is concerned, you can expect around 4.5, around 5 lakhs. You can expect. Okay, so this is an entry level software engineer role into EY. Okay, so other than that, if you look at the roles and responsibilities and all, everything what is given is like very generic. Okay, so they have just given some generic information. You can just go through this, and then you can so if you are eligible and willing, you can go ahead and apply. Okay, right. Now there is also another role. Okay, so the earlier one was associate software engineer, 2 locations. Now there is another role. Now this is for the Bangalore location. So they call it CT campus engineer, EY global delivery services. Now this is also a recently posted one, posted in their LinkedIn. The original job was posted in LinkedIn. So here if you see, so who can apply? Bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, IT, mathematics or related field is preferred. So freshers can very well apply. Now if you have an exposure in using service and hosting solutions such as private public cloud, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service and software as a service platforms, that's good. Okay, if you have like functional knowledge of programming, scripting and data science languages such as JavaScript, PowerShell, Python, Bash, SQL, .NET, Java, PHP, Ruby, Perl, C++, R, etc. Now that is also good. Okay, so if you have like proficiency in any of this, then that's good. Okay, so knowledge in any of the following is also like will be preferable. That is Azure, O365, Azure Stack, Azure AD, etc. And then functional knowledge of multi-system integration using industry standards such as REST API, JSON, SOAP, etc. Right, and other than that, if you see all the regular, fluent in English and both written and verbal, etc. is what they have, given. Okay, so generally the skill they are expecting is SQL, C++, HTML, CGA, and JavaScript, right? And you'll be developing technical if you have technical competency in designing, developing, and debugging solutions, that will be good. Okay, so so this is very much for freshers. Okay, so this is very much for freshers, right? So if you are from like computer science, IT, mathematics and related, you can very well apply, but they expect a little more proficiency than an average graduate. Okay, an average fresher. Okay, so they expect a little more proficiency than an average fresher. Okay, so if you are familiar with any of the programming languages or any other technologies that is given here, you can very well apply. So this is EY hiring for their Bangalore location. Okay, so this all the links are apply links are clearly labeled and given below. You can go ahead and apply. There is no last date to apply for any of this. Okay, so just go ahead and apply if you are eligible and willing. Okay, next one, software developer hiring by IBM. Now this is limited to Ahmedabad location, right? So this is limited to Ahmedabad location. So freshers can also apply, like 2023 batch, 22, 21, 20, all that can apply. Now what is expected here is knowledge of C++, STL, knowledge of OOPS concept. Okay, so IDE skills like Visual Studio, etc. Right. So you'll be part of like software development life cycle. So if you have like an idea about the SDLC, that will be good. Okay, so if you have little experience also, like in terms of product development, deployment, configuration, support of tools, that's good. But even if you're a fresher, you can still apply. Again, this is especially limited to CSE, IT and related branches. Okay, so CSE, IT and related branches, freshers can apply, but please remember this is limited to Ahmedabad location. Okay, so this link also I have provided in the description below. You can make use of it. Now next one, this is Cisco hiring for their Bangalore location, non-technical graduate apprentice. Now, this is actually a job, though they're calling it apprentice and all. Now this is actually a regular like a full-time job. So who can apply for this? BCom. Okay, so if you have bachelor's degree in commerce, you can apply, right? And if you should have basic knowledge of MS Office tools, and of course good communication skills, passion and desire to learn, etc. is expected here, right? So Bangalore location, Cisco hiring BCom graduates. So those are interested can go for this. Now next one, now this graduate engineer trainee for female engineers, I had posted this as a post in the channel. Okay, now salary offered is 5.5 to 6 lakhs per annum. So who can apply for this? Female candidates from 2022 batch from departments like mechanical, electronics, instrumentation, mechatronics or similar background can apply. Now there are actually multiple links. Okay, so there is a First Naukri link. Okay, there is a Unstop portal link. There is also this particular like link. Okay, so I have all the links I have provided in the description below for the same role. So you can decide and then apply. Okay, so as far as the location is concerned, there is like Mumbai, there is Nagpur, like there is also Chennai, right? So there are actually in total there are 5 locations. Okay, though the number of positions I have just mentioned only 20, the number of locations given are about 5 locations. Okay, so this again, female candidates from 2022 batch from the selected branches can go ahead and apply for this. Now next one, Zoho, they are hiring software developer. Now this is through the Unstop portal and the location is Chennai location. You have 3 more weeks to apply, but do not wait until the last date. If you are like if you are okay with this, just go ahead and apply. So good knowledge of technology they're expecting, and what you'll be doing here is design and develop high volume low latency applications for mission critical systems, ensuring top tier availability and performance, contribute to all phases of product development life cycle, write well designed, testable and efficient code, etc., ensure designs comply with specifications, prepare and produce releases of software components. So this is what they have given. So Zoho hiring software developer for their Chennai location. Those are interested can go for this. And then Flex, they are hiring system analyst IT. Now this is for their Chennai location. So freshers can very well apply. If you have hands-on experience in handling SQL queries, that will be good. Okay, and also similarly identifying and resolving technical issues in SQL environment, and you should be able to analyze SQL logs and identify errors, etc. is what they have mentioned. So basically, if you are like good, if you have some kind of an exposure towards SQL, then you can just go ahead and try this. Okay, so Flex hiring system analyst. This again you have approximately 3 weeks to apply. Now apart from this, I have also provided links for Nokia hiring graduate engineer trainee. You can also try that. Okay, now that is also through Unstop portal. Okay, now next one, now this is a hiring that has been happening like regularly. Now HCL Tech, they are hiring postgraduate engineer trainee, wherein they are hiring ME, MTech, like computer science, cyber security graduates. Okay, so ME, MTech graduates they are hiring. Now this is for 3 locations, Noida, Chennai and Bangalore. Now this they are hiring through the First Naukri platform, or rather the Naukri platform. Okay, so those are from ME, MTech, especially from computer science, cyber security. you can go ahead and try. Now this is for the 2023 batch, and you should have a minimum of 65% in 10th, 12th and graduation and post graduation, and if you have certificates in ethical hacking, cryptography, computer network, etc., that will be good, right? So you have 4 locations, as I said, like Noida, Chennai, Bangalore and Lucknow. 2023 batch, those are interested can go ahead and try. So first you have to go for the registration and then technical interview and then the HR interview. This is for the ME CS cybersecurity, right? Even if you're from computer networking also, you can try this. Okay. Now finally you have Mphasis hiring technical support associate. Now this is through the First Naukri platform. Okay, the location is Pune. So as you can see, already many graduates can apply. Have applied for this. This was just posted yesterday, right? So roles and responsibilities, technical support engineer. So you should have basic knowledge on switching and routing and Wi-Fi configuration. Customer satisfaction is the purpose, and all that regular things you have given. Okay, should be in the job, as far as the job is concerned, will be troubleshooting coverage networks, IP, VoIP issues, LAN, WAN, VPN, VLAN, routers, firewall switches, IBP, PBX deployment, TCP, IP, IPv4, DNS, etc. will be resolving. Okay, so basically this is a technical support, application support kind of role for Mphasis. Okay, now this is for their Pune location, and apart from this there is also another job link that I have provided. Okay, apart from Nokia graduate trainee engineer, and another link also I have provided, that also you can check, and then if you're interested you can go ahead and apply for this, right? With this, I come to the end of this video. I hope the information that I have provided here was useful to you. If you like the video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends who may need it. And if you are not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.